ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ngut ki MLA but Thymmai ki bashu job ye ke election shiteng samoi haki lai tele ki constituency jong ke jilla ki bakentop ye uba penyat sings aim uba Eugene Lingdo but u Abdul Saleh kila sya Pynbam Smai hau Lamphang jong ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke jilla uba med ba Lingdo ha ke jingelang ke balalong ha Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ. Hagani ka jingelang Pynbam Smai la sakilang da ki bahayeng hasem jong kini ki Ngut ki MLA lembat ki nongmi khmat na ki party kata na ki United Democratic Party but na ka National People's Party.
Shri Punyat Singh's aim, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Abdul Saleh, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you, sir.
Member of the Legislative Assembly, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I have to give a lot of credit to Moplang as a whole, because without Moplang, I'm sure Shillong wouldn't have water. And the forefathers of the Moplang, of Hima Moplang, have been of great value to the people of Shillong, especially. And obviously, water is a very important element for us in our daily lives. So it's important that I try to see what I can do so that we can speed up the process and ensure that people get sufficient water. It really wasn't an easy task, but all credit has to go to the people of my constituency. And like I said in my previous interview, it is the hope and the love and faith that they've shown in me, and knowing that they can be dependent on me to follow in the footsteps of my dad and try to achieve his dream for the constituency. To be honest, I'm really not, haven't even put a thought on that, because my first priority was to win the elections, and so that I can complete the work and whatever the people have, envision or what my dad has done, and for them to see those works come to light. That was my main objective. So, and I've never put forth anything apart from that. So as of now, I've achieved my first priority. So, and I want to complete it, not just by just achieving it. I want to complete the works. There are some villages which really need roads, because as of now they are struggling when it comes to transportation of goods or transportation of even passengers from one place to another. So it's important that I try to see and I try to get this solved so that it does bring a lot of benefit to the villagers. I feel it's important that the people need to understand that my dad has always raised his voice because of the people. So people need to know what's happening. So I feel it's my right and my duty to do so. To be honest, this wasn't the future that I had planned for myself, but God has other plans, and obviously like I've taken over this, and I want to do my best. And obviously it's a different field, but there's always a starting point for everything, and I hope the starting point would be fruitful, and hopeful that in the coming years I would see that my constituency gains a lot from me joining politics.
Will you miss the football?
Definitely, football has always been my passion. Football has always been in my blood since I was a kid. But then we grow up, and my playing career has come to an end, and I have hung up my boots, but I've put on new boots, which is here in the assembly. To be on the professionalism part, I think there isn't really much difference, because in football we have a lot of discipline and we have to prepare ourselves a lot before we go into matches. So I think it's important for me also to prepare, to be disciplined when I'm looking forward to serve my best for the constituency. While reading the oath, I understand there's a lot of weight on my shoulder now, and the responsibility that I have towards my constituency. And the thought of what I had gone through during the last month, and what I had planned for my constituency, and what I vision, and I want to complete the works that my dad had done. So while reading the oath, I realized that there is responsibility on my shoulders now, and I hope to complete as much as I can within this coming year.
It depends on the leaders in the party and also the MDA government, MDA alliance, and we are ready to serve even as MLA or anything that they will assign me in the government. But one thing is that whatever they give the department, that I'll serve the people, I'll do it with the best within me, and also I'll give my 100% to any department or to any portfolio. It will affect if they bring this amendment in maybe this year or next year in Parliament, but the spirit of 10th schedule in the 6th schedule will affect from 2024. So I don't think so right now I'll have any comment on that. But actually, if the people will again re-elect me in the general election 2023, then maybe the MDC election we will think it over and will decide which one is the best leader from our constituency. We'll choose that person. So it's very important. We have seen that, especially in this highway, national highway from Shillong to Juai, and it's in a very bad condition, and will take up this matter with the Deputy Chief Minister, and also urge the government to speed up this repairing work in the national highway Shillong to Juai. Regarding the 6th schedule amendment, that will happen soon in the Parliament, and as we know from the source that they will bring this 6th schedule amendment through the 125th constitutional amendment in Parliament, maybe this next session in Parliament. So this issue also is very important for the tribal people who are in Meghalaya, especially the Khasi, the Jaintia and the Garos. And regarding these issues, which they want to amend some of the key important points that they are about to bring some amendment, we will stress that this amendment that will be brought in Parliament in the 6th schedule, it will not affect or it will not destroy the interests of our people. and we will urge the state government to pursue this matter and also to follow up this matter with the central government, that regarding the all the proposal that which have been made by the district council, all the 3 district council in Meghalaya, and also the state government, the cabinet, that the central government should take these into consideration. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Secretariat, and also to take part in this oath taking today. And I'm very happy that I could serve the people in the constituency and the state of Meghalaya as an MLA. So we hope that this in the years to come, the remaining 1 year and 4 months which is left now in this term, I'll try my level best to bring development to the constituency and also to take part in assembly to discuss important issues relating with issues with the state government and the state as a whole, like the ILP, the border issues, and also the farmers issues, that I want to stress that these issues are very important for our people and for our state. Thank you.
I don't want to say anything, but another thing is that when the Congress government was there, that time lots of things the people have seen, and you are the judge of that. And now being run by the NPP-led government, people are much happier than the Congress-led government. They have seen the developmental works of the NPP-led government. Therefore, the people love this government and they have voted for me. As a member of the NPP family, also, I feel great. Another thing is that I have seen in the field, while working in the field, that NPP-led government has done wonderful jobs, and therefore only the effect could be seen in the field. And along with that, the 3 MLAs from the government has come as a result. This is means the people loves this government. I try my best, and the people already has seen the developmental activities of the government. Therefore, people love this government and they have voted for all these 3. So that answer, though, I can give you after 1.5 years only. You can ask me what development I have done for my people. Top priority is that health, roads, education, lots of things. Rajabala, for a long time, no Congress ruling MLA was not there. For that thing, I have to do lots of things for my people's expectation is high. Let me see how much I can do for these people. Normally, the health sector is one of that. Education. Yeah, we will try our best to do something for the people. And this government is working hard. It is not only for the Rajabala, they are thinking for all throughout the state.